It was good. You already know. We're back on the charts. Daily recap. Today I just had to hop on here because it's pretty dookie. Okay, right. We're gonna talk about what I did, what I should have done, and elaborate on more on what I think is gonna happen with these markets right here, right? Okay, so first off, straight BS mode. We are in straight BS territory, right? This straight BS, right? Even though it is whatever they call it, like an island gap or whatever, I think these need to be filled 100% during my back testing, right? If it's gonna go like in a super trend, right, or whatever. Not also that, but we also have this gap right here. Now this is just prime real estate for BS material, right? We already went over previous trades, BS material. We're trading good, we're trading good, we're trading good, and I took one really bad trade today, right? Okay, so as you can see, first off, we took a sell. Another thing I learned today, so I'm not that mad of today, I learned something. Even when the 7 o'clock candle is completely up, we wait, right? So I waited because it usually does a little boom, right? Wicks us out, or wicks out liquidity or whatever, right? Then comes down. However, that strat should only be used in long-term like trends and stuff like that. Like, see if I can find one for you guys real quick. So we have one right here. No, it's not one. We have one right here. Oh yeah, it is. I forgot which one's 9. I think this is 8 is 7. Okay, 8 is 7. We have one right here. Boom, upwards. We can't sell that right off rip, right? So we gotta wait, go up, and then come back down, right? We gotta wait for the wicks. Usually you gotta wait for the close, then go down. Here, this is another example of going up, wait for the wick, and then it just came down right away though. So that's what comes with this territory, right? So another one, wick all the way up, came up, wicked, gotta wait, and come back down. So I was like, okay, maybe that might happen right here, right? However, we are in a BS mode. I'm not calling this an uptrend. There's no shot this is an uptrend, right? This is straight BS mode. Even though this structure is good, this is good structure, not gonna lie. Only thing that was iffy was this buy right here. This the man zone did not hold, and it broke and then went up a little bit, so that's iffy. But overall, if this was like closed and everything, and I never had that lower low down, this little gap right here, we'd be looking for buys for sure. But I'm hesitant because it did fill this gap, right? I had a trade here that was supposed to happen. It happened literally like at the close of the flipping the day. And then I had a market order, but I was at the gym, but I just took it off, and it would have been a little thing, but I would have held it anyways because I would expect this to come down, but didn't end up doing that, so never got in. Would have got stopped out anyways, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, we closed the gap that was way over here, right here, right? Close that gap, expected some downwards movement, but I guess it doesn't want to happen right away, right? So really, we just got to be waiting right now. Okay, we just got to be waiting. So had this right here, we waited for the wick, little wick happened, came down, put my stop loss where the gap was, this candle gap right here, and I wanted to see some movement, got a little bit of movement down, not much at all, but then it stopped us out, right? We had 2 contracts on that, which is ×4, lost like 70 on that one. Then let's just see if we can just find it like right here. Let's see what we can see right here, right? Pretend we're actually trading from the day. Boom, we get stopped out. What I should be doing and should be looking at is really nothing, right? Only thing that I saw was on a 1 minute right here. Then it next candle, whatever, never tapped it. I would have tapped it there if it happened. And also this demand zone came in for like a little bit for a quick move up to like around here, and then stopped, and then broke it down. So you really got to be in this market. It's quick moves, It's really quick moves that you gotta just capitalize on, keep the balance high, and just survive, right? So that happened. Never got the 1 minute gap fill, so I didn't trade there. And then I found this again, right? I got this one. I don't even know what happened, bro. Like, absolute, like, okay, yeah, I understand what happened. I did something that I haven't done in like years, bro, because I was like so emotional. I don't know why, but I said fudge it. That's the worst possible scenario, right? I said fudge it, and then that happened, right? So this was taking on the same candle. Never do that, bro. What are you doing? Never do that. Okay, this trade I learned nothing from except that to reinforce my rules that was a dumb trade. That was straight gambling, right? So sold here. The high of the candle this time was like right here. Stop loss above it. Came up, stopped us out. Now why did I trade that? Pure retardedness. Okay, just pure stupidity. But yeah, anyways, right now it's just really quick moves, being patient, you know, quick moves with the uptrend. And when we find that real area where it really wants to just reverse that, right, and show us that it wants to go down, like see right here, this is chop right here, this is chop. See if you can find some moves right here. 8 o'clock, see right here, this is straight chop, right? Well, this is not the chop, this is going up still, some BS movement. Buy here is sketchy, you know. 8 o'clock again. Buy here is BS movement, right? Not much structure, even though this is kind of structure, but it's kind of fake. You can tell, right? You can see it running out of steam. 8 o'clock right here. There's no move right here, running out of steam. 8 o'clock is 7 o'clock, guys, by the way. 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, no move right here. This is another area where came up, boom, came down. You gotta wait on those right there when it's all the way up there. You can't sell that right off rip. And bro, it was just, you gotta wait till that move, wait till this move. You see this move right here? This is the move that we're looking for, right? So we just wait. See another one. 8 o'clock right here. You know, this could be a sell too, but for it to come all the way down, is it gonna do that? We don't really know, but that's like, we're just looking for that setup, right? Gotta keep surviving till that setup happens, and then trend starts, right? Trend starts back, boom, up, chill, get in the next candle, boom, up, chill, wait for the wick. Probably won't get this, want to risk it, you know, it's sketchy. Drop, maybe getting something there, maybe no trade, it's all right. Another example. Wait, wake up, next candle, drop. And it's just the same thing over and over. We gotta just really realize like what's going on and be patient with it, right? So we already went over those. I don't think I went over those specific ones. We went over mostly this tough area to trade. But yeah, one trade out of a long time that I have not traded like that in forever, so I'm proud of that. Balance is currently at like 550, which is not bad. We're gonna have to do 0.1 contract from now on, and just hope. And what am I saying? Hopefully it comes sooner than later, but we just gotta pay attention, be accurate. And yeah, these two trades should have not happened today, and it should have just been a chill day of nothing, right? But gotta keep the emotions in check. We learned something with this trade right here. Only when it's in the trending area that we're allowed to do that. With downtrends, I have not seen that much with buys, you know. But yeah, that's about it. We're gonna wrap that up, keep it short and sweet, and your boy AJ signing out.